How to create an account on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So on your phone or computer, you can open the YouTube application or simply visit www.youtube.com and make sure that you sign in to your YouTube account using a new Google account. So if you already have a Google account, you can easily log in directly. Otherwise, you have to simply create a new Google account. And once you create a new Google account, it will be shown on your YouTube section. So you have to tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now you will land on this page where at top left you will find create a channel option. Tap on it. Now you will reach on the space where you can easily change your picture, name and the handle. So let's change our photo or take a new one. You can crop and rotate the picture and tap save as profile picture. Now you can easily customize the name and handle, and once you're done with that, tap on create channel button. And that's how you can successfully create YouTube account channel or simply create account on YouTube successfully. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.